guys? I am at Lake Berryessa today. It's a cold one. It's about 39 degrees. It is nippy, fog on the water. Yes, it's an off limits day if you are fishing TOC. I am bowing out of TOC for numerous reasons. It's just not going to happen for me this year between work schedule, family, and a lack of my new kayak not being done yet. So I'm gonna sit this one out, but today I'm gonna fish Berryessa. I'm launching from Pleasure Cove. My biggest goal today is gonna be to eliminate water that is non-productive. So I hope that some of you that are planning on fishing TOC check this video out. I'll put chapters in it to make it easier for you guys to find what you want to find, what's working, what's not working. And hopefully we can put a pattern together today. These are the conditions I'm expecting TOC to kind of replicate. Colder mornings, you know, maybe low 70s in the afternoon. There's a decent wind today. I believe the wind's supposed to get up to about 10 to 15 miles an hour. TOC is an open launch this year, so stick around. It's going to be a good one. If you're not already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. You're helping me out a ton, and I really do appreciate all you guys that tune in and watch this stuff. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the water. Sometimes when the water gets this cold, they want to chase, so I'll work my bottom baits a little bit faster than I typically would. I'm just hoping to catch a limit today. This lake has been very, very finicky lately, at least to me. I launched from Spanish Flats, and went down all those coves by Steel Canyon up towards, what is that, the Capella launch, because there's water up there now. And I caught a lot of fish, but they were just a lot of 12-inch fish. They were really nothing to brag about. Nothing that's gonna do you a damn in a tournament, but they were fun. But they were chasing little swim baits. And some days I'll come out here and it's a drop shot and it's a jig thing. It's kind of just day to day. You gonna get in the water?
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cold. My hands are cold.
Hold on, you didn't bring your gloves?
Not the gloves I need.
You got a fish?
I think so. Hold on. Yeah, I got a fish. I can't tell the size yet. It's not big.
Make it spicy.
I didn't bring a net with me, so I gotta take my time. It's a little spot. Oh, quick release, huh? Quick release, buddy. Why don't you just calm down for a second? All right, so we got the first fish of the day on the boat. Like I said, they're not big fish that are biting, so we gotta get those the bigger ones. The fish are warm though. For the water being, the water heat up a little bit out here. It's 64 now. So I'm gonna go to this first point over here, okay? All right, guys, we are at our first point here, and let me tell you, this sun, it's kicking. That glare off the water is no joke. Like I was telling my buddy, the bite's kind of weird today. It's not a bite, it's just we're picking it up, and it's mushy, you know. It's a mushy bite. But the water is a little dingy from the rain we've had. That's why I'm going to stick to darker colors today. At least till the sun gets up higher. Maybe these fish will suspend, you know, get away with using an A-rig or a jerk bait, something like that. But for right now, I feel okay with this Ned rig. And I could fish the Ned fast enough or it doesn't bore me like a drop shot does. Because a drop shot just bores the hell out of me. It really, really does. I can't stand it. I always bring one just in case, but it doesn't do it for me. What am I sitting in right now? 30 feet? That seems about right. I'll probably fish these 2 points in front of me, and then I'll jet across. Actually, man, I don't know. I might jet across right now. Found something a little sneakier now. We're going to tie on a little tiny swim bait that I like to call Sneaky Pete, aka the first gen jaw dropper. We're going to tie it on this rod. Again, this is another identical rod, just with a different reel. This is 7-1 medium, 13 Omen. This is a Shimano Vanford reel. Okay, I'm gonna drop that guy in there. Go to my Sneaky Pete section. What color should we use? Let's use silver and black. Typically, if I can't get bit on this, I know it's going to be a rough day. What is this, 3.2? And I'm pretty religious about these Clearwater Rose 6 cents Divine swim baits. It's pretty much the only thing I have, or will use, rather. And that right there should be the money. But who knows? Make sure my drag is set. So I'll see one on that buoy. This again is a 1/4 ounce, so it's going to take a minute to get down. So now we wait. We wait. And we see. There's fish jumping all over the place, but I'm sure they're carp. These 3.2s are pretty much the identical size of all the shad I've seen spit out of these fish here the last couple times I've been here. So I feel pretty confident about the size of the bait. So still drop shotting this flat. I'm getting little bites, but it's not the right bite. Nothing I can set the hook on, really. No. I need a more substantial bite. It's been a shit bite all day today. It's been real tough. Ooh. Real tough. I don't understand it. Water 72 degrees. Haven't really thrown a jig a lot today. Kind of wish I would have spent more time with the jig.